Utah today for Easter Jeep Safari 2018. We are on the Friends of Warren Trail Ride. Our really good friends at Warren have invited us out last couple of years to ride with them and use some of their products. Hopefully we don't. Project Clifford's pretty capable with our 2-inch suspension system here and the Ridge Grappler tires and of course the KMC beadlocks. We're all aired down today. But yeah, we actually, this is kind of cool. It's kind of a secret. We don't know what trail we're doing. They say the trail's not on the map, so to speak. So of course, we're excited about that. See the obstacles, see what we get into today, and really kind of work out all the products we have on this Jeep. You know, really stretch its legs. The new JL system rides amazing, performs amazing, and then, you know, the tires, the whole combination is working out really, really well. So take a look at some of the footage from the day and enjoy.
Easy. Okay, right front's gonna drop. There you go.
Hey guys, out here on our Warren Trail Ride, we just found a little, cool little, we're gonna start this over. We just found a cool little obstacle. Let's go see how everyone does.